machining. Machining is a metalworking process which involves, for example, forming, joining, and cutting. One of the cutting processes is called turning. Turning usually happens on a machine which is called lathe and produces waste material which is called swarf. Oh, that is why we usually call it the swarf producing cutting. The machined material is clamped in the chuck, which has 3 or 4 jaws. It rotates, and the cutting tools, which are fixed in the tool post, cut swarf from the material. There are 2 cutting tools that move along 2 axes of motion, the longitudinal and the transverse. And this way we can achieve precise diameters or depth. On the lathe, 2 kinds of turning can be performed. We can cut either outside surface or the inside surface, which produces tubular components. Tubular components can be also produced by drilling. Drill is another tool that can be clamped to the lathe in the quill of the tailstock. It advances towards the face surface on the workpiece and cuts the inside surface. In the same way, we can also use steps to tap the threads. On the lathe, we can machine several surfaces, for example, cylindrical, conical, tubular, and face surfaces. In all cases, the workpiece rotates, and the cutting tool advances to it and cuts the material off. It usually happens in 2 steps. The first step is called roughing, and it means that the most possible quantity of material is removed. Then the second step is called finish turning, and we produce the most precise dimensions and smoothness of the workpiece, but only a minimum swarf is removed. Besides turning and drilling, there are also other kinds of machining processes, for example, milling, grinding, or sawing.